Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. The opposition has demanded the suspension of PWD officials from the Mumbai Presidency Division, accusing them of diverting funds from utility bills at ministers' bungalows to pay contractors for repairs and maintenance. Ambadas Danve, leader of the opposition in the Legislative Council for the Shiv Sena UBT, called for the suspension of the responsible engineers and officials pending an inquiry and requested a high-level investigation. Samajwadi Party MLA Rais Sheikh added that the inquiry should thoroughly uncover the extent of the illegal fund diversion, as the known amount of Rs 26 crore is believed to be just the tip of the iceberg. Public Works Department, that is PWD officials in Mumbai, diverted a total of Rs 26 crore meant for water and power bills at Maharashtra ministers' official bungalows to private contractors for maintenance and repair work. This alleged violation bypassed several checks and balances, according to reports investigated by the Indian Express. The Mumbai Presidency Division of the state's PWD paid the money from Rs 52 crore that was sanctioned solely for electricity and water charges at 36 government bungalows from March 2017 to March 2023. During this time, the bungalows were occupied by ministers from 3 state governments, that is BJP Shiv Sena NCP Congress and BJP Shinde Sena. Records show that Rs 6.2 crore was released for utility bills over these 6 years for Varsha, the Chief Minister's bungalow, with Rs 2.37 crore going to contractors for maintenance and repair work. Similarly, Rs 2.76 crore was sanctioned to pay the utility bills of Sagar, the Deputy Chief Minister's bungalow, with Rs 1.47 crore paid to contractors for similar work. Reportedly, an inquiry into these payments has established some facts, leading to a more comprehensive investigation into why bills for contractors were cleared under the description of utility bills, especially water and electricity charges, violating government regulations issued in 2018. Manisha Maheskar, the state's PWD secretary, stated, and I quote, "An inquiry has been ordered through our Vigilance and Quality Control Department. Further action will be taken according to the final report." Utility bills are usually paid directly by the PWD to service providers such as the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, that is MCGM, for water, and Bruhan Mumbai Electricity Supply and Transport, that is BEST, for electricity. For maintenance and repair by private contractors, official guidelines issued in 2018 require a multi-step payment process. That is, submission of a job work proposal for approval, issuance of an e-job number, tendering for the job work, and awarding the contract. A senior PWD official stated, and I quote, "When these transactions were done, there was a shortage of funds and contractors' bills were in excess. So, the approved funds for electricity and water were diverted. The funds which had come with approval from the PWD officer for paying utility bills were diverted and used for clearing the outstanding payments of contractors." However, a state government official confirmed that this process violated the 2018 regulations. Payments to private contractors are done only after mentioning the job work number and obtaining e-job approval from the PWD circle officer. No payment except for the utility services like electricity, water, gas, and telephone, which are considered unavoidable and mandatory, can be cleared through the online budget distribution system without the e-job work number. Reportedly, according to records, over 110 contractors received a total of Rs 26.5 crore from the PWD in the form of utility bills over these 6 years. The records show that those who benefited the most included Bharti Enterprises, a local civic works firm, which received Rs 1.9 crore from 6 utility bills for 7 bungalows. Deepak Mande, a contractor who received Rs 1.79 crore from 7 utility bills for 4 bungalows. Seth Construction, which received Rs 1.26 crore from 4 utility bills for 4 bungalows. And Morna Construction, which received Rs 92 lakh for 5 utility bills. These payments were also recorded at the residences of top officials. For instance, records show that the PWD spent Rs 1.7 crore on electricity and water for the bungalow allotted to the Chief Secretary, of which Rs 1.43 crore was paid to private contractors for maintenance and repair work. The Mumbai Presidency Division is responsible for maintaining government and administrative buildings in the state capital, including the official residences of ministers. Records show that this division spent Rs 210 crore over 6 years on maintenance, repairs and utilities for these 36 bungalows. This significant spending and the alleged misuse of funds highlight the urgent need for better oversight and accountability in the PWD to prevent such issues in the future. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.